everyone, welcome back to the Funded Traders YouTube channel. Due to popular demand, we have reinstated the competition review, so make sure to leave some love for our editors, as they're the ones who make these awesome graphics that make this review that much more captivating. In the month of July, we had over 8,513 contestants. The top 5 finishers were awarded challenge accounts, and the other 15 spots were given discount codes. The competition begins at the start of each month, and now the registration runs through the entire month. The rules are always the same, but they will be changing soon, so stay tuned for those changes. However, the contestants are given a $100,000 normal account with 6% max daily drawdown and a 12% max total drawdown. Out of 8,500 contestants, the top 3 finishers were Mr. Everest, Aman 1321, and VeganMan. Without further ado, let's talk numbers and break down some of the data from the battle. Mr. Everest was the 3rd place finalist. He placed 174 trades while losing 83 trades and winning 91 trades. That puts his win rate right around 52.30%. His average winning trade was 3,200 and average losing trade was 2,200. This gives him an average risk-to-reward ratio of 1.46. Granted, this isn't the best risk-to-reward out there, but anything above a 2 can give the trader more opportunity to recover from losses and setbacks that will inevitably occur. And so the break-even win rate based off of the risk-to-reward that they have is 40.65. So they're not even in danger of losing their account because they can recover their losses with the risk-to-reward being above a 1.0. And in the month of July, there were a lot of profits to be made as it was a very profitable month and Mr. Everest took full advantage. Their total profit and loss was $86,303.93. And let's take a look at one of their most profitable trades. This single USD JPY trade accounted for about half of their monthly earnings. On July 19th, they entered 2 buy positions with 40 lots apiece, and it appeared that they entered off a 5-minute demand as they went right into profits with 0 drawdown. They held the trade for 4 hours, amassing 70 pips and well over $40,000 profit. Now what's interesting is that they almost had a 3rd position on the first pullback of the new impulse, but they were quickly stopped out in profit of around 6 pips and around $1,600. And so it's nice to see that they were using proper risk management, even though they were well over 25,000 profits deep. Like they didn't have to set break even, they didn't have to close the trade, but they were still looking out for their account to making sure that they are always protecting their capital. The next contestant was none other than Aman 1321. They finished 2nd in July competition and had a substantial increase in profits over 3rd place. The total profits amassed in July were $225,902. Out of 191 trades they took, 73 of them were winning and 118 of them were losing. That gave them an average win rate of 38.22%. Again, not the highest win rate in the world, but if we take a look at their risk to reward, we might see something different. The average winning trade through the entirety of the competition was 6,778, and the average losing trade was 2,024. This gives them a risk to reward ratio of 3.35, which is incredible, and everyone should be realistically aiming for above a 3 because then you have so much more opportunity to make back your losses. If you can maintain a 3.0 risk to reward ratio while having a decent win rate, you're going to make profits in the long run. With a 38.22% win rate and a 3.35 risk to reward, they would only need to win 22% of their trades to maintain a break even on the account. So they were able to do that with ease and amass all of these profits, taking the 2nd place finish in the July competition. Aman traded many different assets, but his most successful was gold. Taking a look at one of Aman's gold trades, on July 22nd, they entered a gold buy at 1719.83 with a 23.15 lot and subsequently at 1725.82 with a 40 lot. Now what I like about this trade is that they entered on a break of structure retest and with a relatively low lot size for what they were risking, probably around 1%. The following entry, which was a 40 lot, they placed over 4 hours into the trade, so they're way in profits and they entered right on the close of this bullish engulfing on the 5-minute, and they had actually zero drawdown, just completely zero drawdown. It was just like a rocket ship. And for the next maybe an hour or so, when it finished the trade at 1735.85, they walked away with 160 pips from the first position and over 100 pips for the second position. The total trade profits for this gold trade were $77,000. Bravo, Oman. Bravo. Last but not least, we have VeganMan, our July competition winner with over $254,000 profit. Taking only 56 trades during the month of July, VeganMan sealed the deal with his very first trade. His very first trade brought in $287,125 as they just completely siphoned GBP JPY for all it's worth. And when I saw the profits made versus the lot size, I was just stunned because I was expecting to see 100 lot, 200 lot, but they only utilized 70 lots. Now what's amazing is that they held for well over an entire day, and the price action seemingly melted as if a nuclear bomb was blasted right on top of it. Right from their entry, GBP JPY collapsed over 440 pips, $210,000 profit in 26 hours. That's truly sensational. And to pass the time of the competition, such as the minimum trading days, they traded other assets such as gold, USD JPY, US 30, and other pairs. They had a 52% win rate with a 6.33 risk reward. Congratulations on your first place finish and the $200,000 account. Now, when it comes down to it, everyone wants the juicy intel. How did they do with their accounts? As the date is probably August 25th, maybe the end of the week. How did they do on their accounts? Well, I'm here to inform you that out of the 3 top finishers, 2 already breached their account. The first place finisher breached their account, and the third place finisher breached their account. So Mr. Everest and VeganMan, better luck next time. Keep that risk management like you did in the competition, or even better, not risking so much, but focusing on the profits, trying to get that account into reality. But of course, Aman 1321 is still in the process of completing the challenge, and if they do complete it, there will be an update in the next competition review. Thank you all for watching. See you next month in the August competition review, and there will be plenty of changes to discuss, so till next time, peace.